Back when there were only a few networks, watching TV was pretty simple. You turn on the TV, and if you didn't like what was playing, you change the channel. But these days, TV can be pretty complicated. Figuring out what you want to watch is hard enough, and that's only the beginning. Once you've chosen a program, you have to figure out when it's playing and which of hundreds of channels it's on. It's like you have to change your schedule to fit your TV's schedule. In fact, many of us end up watching videos on the web because it's easier to find the things you want. I mean, think about it. More and more of our favorite shows and videos are showing up online these days, and you can get to them really easily, whenever you want, just by typing in what you're looking for. The problem is, these smaller screens don't compare to our home entertainment systems. Which leads us to a pretty big question. If the web is so smart, and our TVs are so fun to watch, why do we have to choose? Why can't they work together? Well, now they can. Introducing Google TV. Google TV brings everything that you love about the web to your television. Some new TVs will come with it built in, or you can get a separate box for the TV that you already own. Either way, the way it works is very simple. Right on your TV screen, you simply type in what you're looking for, anything that you're looking for, and Google TV will find it. It's basically an entertainment hub that searches all your channels, recorded shows, YouTube, and other websites. If you find something you like, you can add it to your home screen where you'll always see your favorite channels, shows, websites, even music playlists and photo albums. That way you can get to things really quick. And with a full web browser, you get unlimited access to the entire internet. So you can do stuff like browse photos or update your status. And that's just scratching the surface. By opening up your TV to all the improvements and innovation that the web has to offer, Google TV will make your TV smarter and easier to use. So you'll be able to spend a lot less time finding what you want and a lot more time watching what you want.